hazardous weather and emergency situations, the alert tones which were just broadcast will automatically activate special receivers to alert you of impending hazards. Today's test is being conducted for severe weather preparedness week. However, this test is normally conducted every Wednesday around 11 a.m. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the alert tones will only be activated for the following counties in the KDO89 listening area: in Missouri, St. Louis, Franklin, Jefferson, Lincoln, St. Charles, Warren, and the city of St. Louis. In Illinois, Madison, Monroe, and St. Clair. If your receiver was tone activated, the alert function will automatically reset after the test. This concludes our test for this week, and we will now resume normal programming. Thank you. This message is for test purposes only. The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued this is a test message. Tornado warning for all counties in Missouri. This is a test message. Until 10:15 a.m. This is a test message. This test tornado warning is for the annual Missouri Severe Weather Drill. There is no severe weather occurring. Expected hazards include test tornado. Source, test, radar, storm spotters or law enforcement. Impact, test, tornadoes can destroy buildings, mobile homes and roll vehicles. Flying debris is the biggest killer. This is a test message. Locations impacted include all communities in Missouri. This is a test tornado warning. There is no severe weather occurring. Take this time to review and practice your severe weather planning. Now is the time to prepare for severe weather. This message is for test.